Hi, you're welcome back to Mom and Trey channel. Today we'll be doing what?
We are going to be making, what is this called? A yogurt parfait?
Yeah.
A yogurt parfait.
He wants to assist Mom in the kitchen today.
I know y'all miss me. My fans miss me. It's okay. I'm not back, but I'm back since I'm in college. But we're not gonna worry about that today. First, we have some grapes, banana, apple,
All right.
blackberries,
Okay.
grapes,
Just drop them there, no problem.
strawberries,
Yeah.
and raspberries.
Okay.
And then we got two different types of yogurts.
Yeah.
Vanilla Greek yogurt and just Greek yogurt for the healthy option.
Sweet out.
And then we got granolas.
Coconut granules.
And then we got our jars. Yeah.
But I will be assisting him to cut it.
Yeah. I'm not doing all that kind of.
So just stay tuned. Let me cut it for him. But he's in charge. Okay?
Alright, y'all.
Into cubes.
So boom, Mom is finished cutting up the fruits. Now this is how I do it. First thing I do, I would normally put the granolas first, but we're gonna be different today. Yeah.
But I have to talk to.
You could talk.
Okay.
We're gonna be different. I'm gonna take this, right? Now a little bit more. Boom. Now seeing right. What should we pick first?
Whatever.
You're not helping.
No, pick is you are the one in charge.
I'm gonna add these first.
He's playing big boy. He doesn't want to use his hand.
I can use my hands, but the wet ones I won't use my hands.
No, you have to. So we'll be fast.
Okay. Boom.
Put more.
No,
this thing is not complete.
It's layers. It's layers to it.
Okay.
It's layers to it.
Yes, sir.
You gotta understand it.
All right. You raise it up, right? Okay.
Oops. It's okay, guys. Now, we add this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 on camera, then do the rest off.
Okay, no
This
problem.
is
Then
a
be
lot.
fast.
Alright.
Add. Talk. To talk.
I'm focused.
Your focus. You guys see how mommy normally does in the kitchen. I'm not eating my own. You have to separate it. I will take plain yogurt.
Oops. Alright, y'all. This, we're not gonna add this yet. We're gonna add this. One more of this.
One more that.
One more of this.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
That is okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. You cannot add. Okay. You are adding that immediately? Okay. I will also do my own. Okay.
Tell me which one looks better. Me and Mom's gonna do something different.
Okay. So should I come close?
Come closer.
All right.
You know what? I'll record it.
See it?
Analyze.
You're spoiling it.
No, you gotta get the angles for mine. You gotta analyze this. Look, y'all, you gotta analyze. Boom. You see? You see? Right. That's what we love to see. All right.
He's done. He has done his own. Let me get this spoon. Okay.
That's how you're starting yours off.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Don't say anything.
I'm not
It's
gonna
mine.
say anything.
Okay.
Lift it up a little bit. So what process do you...
Don't worry about mommy.
Okay, I'm not gonna worry. Just a lot of fruits I see. Wow.
Yeah. So I'm adding my yogurt. A little. Then my granola.
Okay. You just
My
going straight
apple.
to it. That's grapes, Mom. Apples right here.
Oh, my grape, man. Then my yogurt.
Okay.
Then this.
Boom.
This.
Boom.
This mommy's own.
She was quick with it. I feel like mine is more bougier.
Yeah. No, because you love a lot of yogurt.
It's better.
So.
Okay.
That's it.
I got another one. Let me do another one.
Yeah.
Come close.
All right.
Guys, camera cut, but look at the final. Just look at it. Beautiful, great, delicious, exquisite.
Okay. All right.
Fine pine wine.
Okay.
Hey, look at this.
You look that. How does that look?
Amazing.
All right.
These two are mine, the best one. I don't even want to cover it.
These two? We are 4, guys.
These two are mine.
No, we are 4 in the family. What are you talking about?
2 is coming to me with
No. I know you put like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I like this. So
You're a little weird because you like something without flavor, but then
those ones without flavor are healthy.
they're both healthy.
Okay. Then I didn't put.
You just go straight to it.
Why not? Why am I wasting time?
It's about the journey.
Journey of what? Journey of
The
life.
process.
Journey of life.
It's about the process. I could probably hear me munching on these apples. Okay. Odogu.
This one is a dogu. Okay.
Yeah, that was good.
This looks good.
That's good. Alright, we gonna clean up and show y'all the final process, y'all. Okay? Alright, y'all. We are done. We are done with them. Look, she made some extras. I'm turning it for y'all. Look at this. Amazing. So, yeah. This is it. So if you guys ever want some, just come over and we get you some. Text us. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you enjoy me being back. And I just want to say thanks for watching. And subscribe to Mom and 3.